Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and config file for the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find the 7 Deadly Sins Origin. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Browse. This will open your game's installation folder. Now follow these steps. Open the 7 Deadly Sins folder. Open the Saved folder. Open the Saved Games folder. Inside this folder, you will find all your saved game files. Step 2. Locate config file. Now go back to the 7 Deadly Sins folder. Then, open the Saved folder. Open the Config folder. Open the Windows folder. Now find the file called GameUserSettings.ini. Double-click it to open it. This file contains your game configuration settings, such as graphics and performance options. And that's it. Now you know where to find both your save files and config file in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.